CIET NCERT presents audiobook Bansuri, textbook of arts for grade 4.
Now, we will know about Panch Tantra. The Panch Tantra is a set of stories written in the Sanskrit language more than 2000 years ago. It was written by a well-known Sanskrit scholar, Vishnu Sharma. He wrote this collection to teach valuable lessons on morals and values to everyone, especially children, in a very friendly way. The word Panch means 5 and Tantra means codes or principles. All the stories in the Panch Tantra are categorized into 5 groups. These stories are so popular that they have been read by children across the world for centuries. These stories have been translated into all Indian languages and many foreign languages such as English, German, Italian, Arabic, Japanese, Spanish and many others. Here is one such interesting story from the Panch Tantra. At the bottom of this page, we are given 3 pictures. On the right hand side, we are having a lion. On the left hand side is given a hare. And in the middle, bottom of the page, we are given 4 ducks. Page number 2, we are starting our story, the hare and the lion. So on this page, we are having 7 blocks. Each block is explaining about the animals, their conversation between the hare and the lion. So, in a forest, there lived a ferocious lion, Bhasuraka. To show his strength, he would kill more animals than he could eat. Then, in next block, we have the animals lived in constant fear. One day, they devised a plan and approached the lion with a proposal. Also, this block number 2 is blank, so you can color this as you like. In third block, an animal says to lion, "We promise to send you 1 animal every day. Why kill us all when 1 a day is enough for you?" Then the lion replies, "Fine, but if 1 ever fails to come, I will kill you all." Then in fourth block is given the lion is waiting, and yes, every day an animal presented itself to the lion for his meal. Then one day it was the hare's turn. He walked slowly, trying to delay his fate. So in block 6, the lion says to hare, "You miserable creature, you are late. Because of you, I will kill all the animals tomorrow." Then the hare said, "It is not my fault, sir. A stronger lion stopped me on my way. He said he will eat me before you." Page number 3, we are given 6 blocks. We are starting with the first block. The lion says, "A stronger lion? Show him to me immediately." Then the next block, the hare says, "Look, sir, he has retreated into his cave." Then the hare took the lion to the well. And then the lion saw himself into the water and said, "He looks just like me. He dares to challenge me." Then lion roared. A thunderous roar came back from the well. Then the lion, convinced of his enemy's power, Bhasuraka, attacked and fell to his death. So this is how the hare wisely took step forward and outwitted the lion and saved the forest. So, dear friends, what did you learn from this story? Here we are given some blanks for your answers. Good. Now, as you start learning new things in art, music, theatre, and dance, you will be referring to this story for many of the activities. Is it not wonderful to see how a Panch Tantra story connects all the art forms? So remember this story and have fun performing all the activities. Whenever you see this, it means you have to recall the hare and the lion story. Unit 1, Visual Arts. Page number 8. Chapter 1 of Visual Arts units. This is Arrangements of Objects. On page number 8, we are given a QR code on the bottom of the left-hand side of the page. By scanning this, you can get the access to additional resources of this chapter. Now, we are starting our chapter, Arrangements of Objects. Notice how a room or shop looks better when furniture and objects are in room artistically. Adding fabrics in the background helps catch our attention. In this chapter, you will arrange a variety of objects found around you. As you draw, observe the space around the objects and compare the various sizes, shapes, forms, and colors. So, have you ever played hide and seek on paper? You will soon be able to create your visual hide and seek through drawings. Gather your materials and tools, as they will also be a part of the objects that you will be drawing. So on this page, on left hand side, we are given a color palette. On the right hand side, we are given the beautiful painting of different musical instruments. And below this painting, we are given students and children. They are playing with the different objects. Page number 9. Activity 1.1. Complete the picture. Some animals have formed a music band. Point 1. Draw the missing musical instruments and objects. Point 2. Color the picture to make it interesting. Point 3. Compose your own poem for this picture in any language. Point 4. You can add more animals to the band. So here we are given a blank picture that you all need to color it beautifully. So let's enjoy this rhyme. मंजीरा लेकर भालू आया, चम 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 चम. ढोल बजाता मेंढक आया, धम 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 धम. मंजीरा लेकर भालू आया, चम 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 चम. ढोल बजाता मेंढक आया, धम 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 धम. कोयल ने ली मीठी तान और गधे ने गाया गान. Page number 10. Activity 1.2. A picture gallery. Here on this page, of the left hand side, we have given a picture of Nandlal Bose. Now, the question arises, who is Nandlal Bose? As many of you, I think, already know that he is one of the pioneers of modern Indian art. Below his picture, we have given 6 more pictures on this page. First of all, we'll try to understand all these pictures. In first column, we have given a man playing a traditional horn, showcasing rural Indian life. In second picture, a female attendant portrays a woman holding a fan in one hand and a small object, possibly a perfume bottle or a similar item in the other. In third picture, it's a traditional Indian painting depicted a scene from mythology or a folklore. The figure appears to be male character, possibly a hero set within a stylish natural environment. The fourth picture, a singer by Nandlal Bose. This picture depicts a figure, likely a woman, seated and playing a stringed instrument, possibly a veena or a sitar. In picture 5, it seems that a woman is playing ghatam, or we can say it's playing the drums, showcasing Bose's skill in capturing movement and rhythm with simple yet expressions live. In last and sixth picture, we are given a painting of a drummer from Sri Lanka. The painting shows a dark-skinned man with a turban-like headdress playing a drum. and his facial expression is animated, suggesting the energy and the rhythm of the music. So these paintings are made by the renowned artist Nandlal Bose. He has shown people in the various occupations. In which picture do you understand the following musical instruments? Write the picture number. So let's have a test. So we have given number 1, Tanpura. Number 2, Dhak. Number 3, Ghatam. Number 4, Singa. So for all these, you have been given the blank space to answer. List the other objects that you listen, such as tools, ornaments, below. In last, there is a note for teachers. Support the students to find the objects and musical instruments in the paintings. Page number 11, Activity 1.3. Arrange and draw objects. Choose from any of the topics given. 1. Essential items required for a nature walk. Refer to chapter 4 in your textbook, The World Around Us. 2. Stationery. Pencils, erasers, books, bag, scissors, glue, etc. 3. Tools used in farming, carpentry, plumbing, tailoring, etc. 4. Clothes and footwear. 5. Vessels and utensils. 6. Objects used for grooming, toothbrushes, toothpaste, comb, nail clippers, soaps, oil bottles, buckets, mugs, etc. Point 2. Arrange objects in an interesting manner and draw them. Point 3. Use most of the space on your paper to draw the objects large. Point 4. Color the objects first, then color the space around them. You can also arrange any 3 musical instruments if they are available in your school and draw them. Field trip. Visit a market and observe how objects are arranged and displayed by the vendors. Make more drawings there. On this page, right-hand side, we have given 3 beautiful pictures. So the first picture shows a drawing of a still life setup, likely an exercise in object drawing as indicated by the text object drawing at the bottom. We have given second picture. This picture indicates the middle panel features a drawing of art supplies including a jar, paint brushes and a palette of paints. The last and third image appears to be a drawing depicting a still life arrangement, possibly intended to represent an artist's workspace or study. Page number 12. Now it's a blank space for you to draw. Page number 13. Activity 1.4. Visual hide and seek with objects. Let us create the game hide and seek with objects. So on this page, we have given 3 columns, or we can say 3 boxes. So each boxes contains some sort of drawings, some sort of lines. We'll try to understand all these columns, all these lines. Step 1. Draw any 2 or 3 objects on a sheet of paper. They should not overlap. Step 2. Draw a squiggly line that wanders through the whole page and goes over these objects. This line would divide each object into smaller shapes. Step 3. Choose a symbol and a color for each object. For example, a red dot for the pot, a blue X for the bucket, and a yellow addition mark for the lock. Page number 14. Step number 4. Mark all the shapes that divide the objects with the chosen symbols and colors. You can even choose light and dark tones of the same color for each object. Step number 5. In each object, fill the shapes with 2 different patterns in the chosen color. Step number 6. Similarly, choose a color for the background and fill the background with 2 different patterns. So on this page, we have given 3 columns, and now these all pictures are colored. There are some different patterns like the dotted patterns, some are dark patterns, some are light patterns. Page number 15. Now it's a blank space for you to draw. Continue with the text. Can your friends find and identify the objects in your artwork? Page number 16. Activity 1.5. Make a diorama. A diorama is a 3-dimensional artwork that has an arrangement of objects to show a scene. You can also easily make a diorama using a discarded cartoon or a shoebox. Now, imagine and design a room and draw it here. Based on the drawing, make objects that would be placed in the room. For example, you can use empty matchboxes to make the furniture and pieces of racks to make curtains. Now use your imagination to make objects of your own choice. Arrange your room beautifully. And on this page, in the below, we have given a picture of a diorama. And on the right hand side of this page, we have given a blank space for you to draw, to practice this diorama. Page number 17. On this page, we have given a table, Assessment Chapter 1, Arrangement of Objects, in which we have 4 rows with 5 columns. CG1, Competencies, C1.1, Learning Outcomes, arranges and draws different groups of objects by observing them. Teacher and self is given blank space. CG2, Competencies, C2.1, the learning outcomes depicts objects in imaginative arrangements by playing with their placement, size, lines, shapes, forms, colors, and patterns. Teacher and self column is given blank space. Below this table, teacher's feedback on students' strength. A blank space is given for you to answer. Teacher's feedback on areas of improvement. A blank space is given for you to answer. Any other observation? A blank space is given for you to answer. Chapter 1 ends here.
Bansuri, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 4. Narration, Anshul Agrawal. Sound recordist, Manju Kumari. Production assistant, Arshad Ahmed, Mohammad Shamim Khan. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.